This is sheet 5, Drawing Curves Part 2. Of course, I already grabbed my text tool, went up and put my name on that sheet. I'm going to be using the pen tool just like in sheet 4, Drawing Curves. Only now some of my curves are going to change direction. On Part 2 here, I'm going to add some kind of straight lines and curves together. The important thing is that this is one continuous curve. When you go to draw your map, it needs to be one continuous curve in order to fill it with color. So I'm going to start here by holding this, dragging down to the red, letting go, holding on the blue, dragging to the red, letting go. Only now my curve needs to change directions. So I'm going to go back to that last anchor I made. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to click and drag to start a new one. So now I'm just starting a new curve, and it goes in that direction now. When I grab the arrow and click off, you can see how that curve was made. I'm going to go over real quick, show you guys number 2. It's a click and a drag, click and drag, go back to that anchor point, we click, and then click it. Oh, Control Z. We click, and then move up here, click and drag. And that's number 2. Moving on down to part 2, it's just going to be a combination of some curves and lines. Go back, grab the pen tool. So this first one, I just click to start it, click and drag this curve. Now I have a point here. I want to make this straight, so I have to reselect that anchor. Then it doesn't want a straight line. I'm going to connect back to this curve. You want to use as few anchor points as possible getting around this whole shape.